Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an AWS account with billing enabled and MFA, and an IAM user with S3 permissions. Next, prepare your site folder, index. HTML plus assets and correct MIME types so browsers render correctly. Once done, install and run AWS CLI and configure credentials. This lets you push files programmatically. Also create a new S3 bucket in the region you want and enable public access for static hosting. This is the first actionable infrastructure step you need right now. You now configure hosting details. Enable static website hosting on the S3 bucket and set index and error documents so requests map correctly. Then create a CloudFront distribution pointing to the S3 origin. This gives you HTTPS, edge caching, and fast global delivery. Make sure to add an alternate domain name and upload an ACM certificate in the same region as CloudFront. Once CloudFront is ready, update DNS in Route 53 or your registrar to point your domain to the distribution. You deploy by syncing files, run Oz S3 sync, /site S3, / your bucket delete to push changes and remove old files. Then test the site via the CloudFront domain over HTTPS, verify caching headers, and that MIME types serve correctly. Finally, invalidate CloudFront if you need immediate updates. If things go wrong, check one key area: S3 bucket policy or object ACLs blocking public reads, or an ACM certificate not issued. Correcting those usually resolves 90% of access and TLS problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.